welcome back to my channel. And today's video I got this 2 nail art from Hanakoko. Thank you very much for sponsoring this product to me. So this one, the other one is very aesthetically cute, so I want to use it. This one, and in one box, this one they included already some accessories, some cleaning tools you can use it. So later I will show you on how to put this one. Okay, so thank you. So right now I'm wearing the Whispering Willow by Hanakoko. I use the fast and easy way to glue. When you want to use the glue, be sure to use the hair dryer to make it dry so fast. So it's really good, very aesthetically nice, so I really like it. I will put the link in the description box if you want to order Hanakoko nail art. Press on nail art.